So far we have a little simple a deck of cards. Let's move on to maybe creating a list that we can maybe we can use as a list of modules. So for instance, let's create here a module list item. So presumably, on the left-hand side of the course editor, we're going to have a whole bunch of lists of modules. Yes? So we can represent them as line items using the Bootstrap class list group item. All right, so let's do that. Let's create a module list item in component here. So let's create here a file, and let's import React from React, and let's create a class called module list item, which extends React.component, and let's render. And let's return the following, and we're going to export. The default package is module list item. Okay? All right, so let's see. What are we going to return? We're going to return just this line item. So line item, there we go. Line item with module 1. Okay? There we go. And so we can then create a module list component that can render multiple module list items, right? Where it provides the outer UL, right, with the list group class, and then it can render any multiple module list items. So again, practicing the fact that you can have components within components within components, right? That can where parents can provide the state information for lower level components. So let's do that. Let's create a module list in here. So let's create a module list. That JavaScript. I'm going to copy a couple things from here. So let's copy that. And let's change a couple things here. We know it's a module list. Oops. Module list. And it's going to be a UL that's going to contain multiple. It's going to contain multiple module list items. So let's import. I think we can do it here, right? We can say module list item. There we go. And the import is already made for me. There we go. So let's. Also, we need a class name here, which is li list group. And then we can have multiple list items here. So let's see what that renders like. Oh, well, we did that, but we never actually imported it inside of our whiteboard. So let's do that. Right above the card deck, let's load that module list that we just created. So we can say module list. There we go. So notice that it rendered all the modules at the top, right, as a list, right? But and the cards of decks down below. Right? Now we know how we would split and put that on the left-hand side, perhaps, right? So that we would like to be able to render it as a split, which you did for the first assignment, right? So we know how to do that, but we're learning how to render these kinds of things using React. Okay, I'm going to skip over Font Awesome. Let's look at tabs.